All right, let's talk about food and sugar exactly. I was reading some studies this morning. I had no idea this was reality. Now, we all know I don't eat sugar. I don't eat carbs. I don't eat vegetables. I don't eat fruit, protein, and fat only for me. But here's the thing. Sorry, I'm just finishing up a run. I didn't know that the USDA's own guidelines are for children 2 years old and older to have 10% added sugar to their diets. That's in the guidelines. And then when you look forward, it's a great article by a guy that used to work for Coca-Cola talking about the schemes they were doing to get that sugar and get those products into our mouths with the help of the government. That knowing full well that sugar is the poison that it is, and it is generally the cause of almost all disease in the United States, along with grains and seed oils. You eliminate processed grains, you eliminate seed oils, and you eliminate sugar from the diet, and we could fix this health crisis right away. But having lived that, having up until January 1st of last year, eating that standard American diet that is made up of 70% processed food, for teenagers it's higher than 70%, having eaten that and felt the effects of that both on my heart and my lungs and my legs and my arms and my joints, every part of my body was affected by it. Having lived through that and then made the change like I did last year, I can tell you without a shadow of a doubt, at about day 40, it turned my life around. I had an influx getting rid of the sugar, the thing that the USDA calls for people 2 years old and older to have 10% added to. The influx of power that I felt, of energy that I got. 40, 50, 60 days, the joints stopped to hurt. The inflammation all but goes away. I turned the clock back 20 years because I'm not eating the poison that they're directing at us daily. And you're getting it from education, you're getting it from big pharma, you're getting it from big agriculture. It's coming at you, big processed food. It's coming at you from every direction. Media, constant advertising, and you just got to fight it. That stuff is bad. And clearly the collusion is in, clearly the fix is in. Pre-diabetes, diabetes, trying to call people who are overweight and saying that it's some sort of disease that you're born with. That kind of nonsense just doesn't make any sense, folks. It's what you put in your mouth and how much you move your legs. You want to lose weight? Stop putting the wrong foods in your mouth. You want to get in shape? Go for a walk. Opportunities are everywhere. You got to go get them.